I'm talking about ASELSAN's latest marvel, the ALP-300G portable early warning radar system. This isn't just any radar, it's Turkey's longest-range radar, pushing the boundaries of airspace surveillance. The ALP-300G is equipped with cutting-edge active electronically scanned array technology and boasts a sophisticated digital beam-forming antenna system. What does this mean? Essentially, it can be rapidly deployed on tactical wheeled platforms, making it highly flexible and ready for action at a moment's notice. Haluk Görgün, president of Turkey's Presidency of Defense Industries, recently highlighted the crucial role of radar systems in safeguarding borders and battlefields. Turkey's commitment to advancing radar technology is evident in the ALP-300G, which caters to a wide array of applications, from aerial reconnaissance and border control to air defense and missile systems. This radar system is a true flagship in ASELSAN's renowned ALP family of early warning systems. Now let's talk specs. The ALP-300G stands out with its exceptional capability for digital communication handling and high-speed data processing. With over 4,000 transmit-receive modules, it ensures operational continuity even if some modules fail. Unlike traditional rotating radars, the ALP-300G continuously receives reflections, which eliminates the need for full rotation and boosts accuracy through constant verification signals. This system isn't just about hardware. A significant portion of its prowess lies in the software, developed with a substantial amount of proprietary code and protected by multiple patents. It can be swiftly set up and maintains flawless communication via a robust radio link. This collaboration of numerous companies underscores Turkey's technological prowess and rapid response to defense needs. Defense Minister Yasar Güler pointed out the radar's ability to handle vast amounts of data and its resilience against electronic warfare. This is crucial for detecting and tracking threats over long distances. The ALP-300G's resilience ensures continuous and reliable performance, making it an indispensable asset for Turkey's defense infrastructure. This significant achievement not only bolsters Turkey's defense capabilities, but also showcases the nation's strides in indigenous technological development, positioning it as a formidable player on the global defense stage. So, what do you think about Turkey's new radar milestone with the ALP-300G? Is it a game changer for global defense technology? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this overview insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge technology and defense news. Until next time, stay informed.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.